Korkon.
Okay. See here, next passage. Today I am going to explain one passage. So listen carefully. After this, again I am going to ask you the questions regarding that. So listen carefully. And once I will explain the passage, after that again I will give chance to you if you have any doubts. That time you can unmute and you can ask me questions one by one. So at a time you will do unmute means it will distribute to all others and just a waste of time. For that reason, just listen carefully. Okay, this is just one story or one incident about I am explaining. So the today's passage is one small paragraph is there. I woke up one August morning in a warm sweat. Okay, I woke up. Just think that here I means it is a person. It is the author. Okay, that author is explaining. He woke up one August morning in a warm sweat. It was which month was there? August month was there, and the climate was warm. Okay, if we get heat, what will happens? We will become sweat. Means for that reason, if in August morning in a warm sweat, I ran to the refrigerator. He ran to the refrigerator. Okay, shortly we will call it as a fridge. Fridge. Now nowadays we are using in our houses. No, that he ran to there to get a cold water. Okay, to cold drink to get a cold drink. He ran to there, but the refrigerator was broken. That refrigerator is there. No, that was broken, and all the drinks were as hot as me. See, if the refrigerator is broken, all the things inside the refrigerator were as hot as me. Means how the author becomes the hot, no? The same temperature will come there. So if the refrigerator is not working, means if you put anything inside the refrigerator, it becomes hot only. Okay. I walked over to my electric fan. After that, what he will did, he walked over the electric fan, but it wasn't working either because he is getting heat. So he want fresh air, okay, and he want more air. So for that reason, what he wanted to do, he wanted to on the fan. From the fan, we will get extra air, no, and we will get some relief. For that reason, he walked over to electric fan, but it wasn't working either. It is also not working. Oh, he wanted to drink cold drink. He went to the refrigerator. It is not working. It's broken. So he got not got their cold drinks. And after that, he went to put on the fan. There also, he thought there also it is also that fan also not working. And then turned on. Then he turned on the television. Okay, nowadays we are using more. This means refrigerator, fans, and televisions. Okay. Next, you know the television, TV. You will call it as a TV, no? You will watch daily. Television means don't confuse that. TV. Television means
Okay.
TV. Okay. Nowadays, we are commonly. Okay. So that after that he then turned on the television and finally realized that the electricity in my house was out. After watching that all, finally he decided there is no electricity in his house. Okay, for that reason only refrigerator is also not working and it's broken also. And when he went to put on the fan, there also it's not working. And after that he want to on the TV, means television, there also it's not used, means it is not working. If there is no electricity, is it works? It will not work. For that reason, so completely he wanted to do on that, but there is no use because of electricity. Later that day, on the same day later, I went to the pool to cool off. That he went to the pool to cool off. I drove right in. I swam. Here, on the same day, what he did, he went to the pool. What is the meaning of the pool? What is the meaning of the pool? Okay, you just don't unmute. I will ask a particular, then you can tell me. Chetan, what is the meaning of the pool? PWL, pool. Okay, don't know. Varsha, Varsha, tell me, what is the
Yes, sir. Swimming pool, sir.
Yes, sir. Swimming pool. Yes, sir.
Okay. If you tell swimming pool, you can understand. Some students are there. If I tell swimming pool, they can understand what is there. If I tell only pool, then again they will confuse. What is the pool? Okay. Don't get confused. It's a pool. In particular, Kannada, Manjunath Parade, do mute. In particular, Kannada, we will tell as a kola. Okay. Kola. Okay. Pool. For to the pool. For what reason we want to go? He want to go there to cool off. Okay. I think you have seen the swimming pools also. Okay. And some of you know how to swim also. Okay. See here he went to the pool to cool off and he dived right in. Next, he dived in the pool. Okay. Let us say, how many of you know the swimming? Anybody know swimming?
Don't know, sir. No, sir. Sir, don't know.
Yes, sir.
Trisha also know.
Don't know, sir. No, sir.
Tanishka.
Yes, sir.
Whenever I will
Sir.
all of you do mute first.
I also know, sir. Sir, I
Okay.
also know, sir.
Here in this.
I don't know, sir.
Okay. Some of you know how to swim. Okay. And some of you may don't know how to swim. So it is also better to learn swimming. Okay. With your parents, you can go to swimming pool. Nowadays, it is not possible due to the COVID, isn't it? Nowadays, all the swimming pools are closed. Okay? Nowadays, you don't go to the swimming pool also due to the COVID, isn't it? For that reason, in future, you just learn. Who don't know, you learn. Okay. Okay, we'll go for the next. See here, that day he went to cool off. That means the climate is hot, no? For that reason, he went to Manjunath Parade, do mute. He went to the pool to cool off. I dived right in, means he dived, means from that swimming pool, he dived into the water. I swam 8 laps before I got tired. I swam 8 laps before I got tired. See here, swam means it is a past tense of swim. Swim, swam, swam. Like this we are going to use. Means V1, V2, V3 forms are there in English grammar. When I will teach that, I will explain about regarding that. Just to know that swam means it is the past tense of swim. Okay, he swam just 8 laps. What is the meaning of the laps? In swimming, that word it gives the meaning laps. For example, while swimming, we will do like this, no? Like this. These are the laps. Clear laps meaning? Okay. And don't think that only this is the lab. Sometimes we will use both hands, okay? And sometimes we will use both hands like this, means a butterfly. So many different, sure, so many different kinds of the laps are there in swimming, okay? Backstroke, butterfly, like this, so many different. So before doing that 8 laps, it becomes tired. Okay, if you swim in a swimming pool, if you swim half an hour or 1 hour, you will also get tired and you becomes very hungry. Okay, and that is good for the health also. Swimming is good for health because swimming we can keep our body fit and healthy. Okay, then he got tired. My friend Lucy then bought me an ice cream cone. At the same time, uh, my friend Lucy, means so the author's friend Lucy, the author's friend Lucy, she brought ice cream cone. Okay, ice cream cone bought and given to him. My friend Lucy then bought me an ice cream cone. I got a vanilla ice cream. I got vanilla ice cream. Which flavor? Which flavor? It's vanilla flavor. Vanilla. Okay.
Vanilla.
So many different flavors are also there. Okay. Now here in today's class, in today's passage, so different means interesting is coming. No, swimming is also interest for someone, and ice cream is also interest. Okay, it may be your favorite also ice cream. Okay, so I got that ice cream cone, vanilla flavor. I got vanilla ice cream cone with rainbow sprinkles. On that again, rainbow sprinkles means the different colors of that eatables, variety ingredients they will put on that. Even though it was really hot, I did have a lot of fun. Even though it was really hot, but he did a lot of fun. Means he went to that swimming pool, no? There he enjoyed a lot. Okay, is it clear? Now this is the passage. Now just in 1 or 2 minutes you can ask me your doubts in about the passage. If you will clear the doubts, then I will ask the questions. Okay. If you have doubt, just mention your name and ask the questions regarding the passage. Is it understood? Is it understood all? Is it understood all? So,
Yes, sir.
if it is
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood, sir. Understood, sir.
okay. You can put on your video and you can tell just like this.
Understood,
Okay.
sir.
Is it? You can say like this. Okay. Shall I ask the questions?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
particular, I will ask the name and I will ask the questions so that it will not disturb. Okay. Clear? Now, first question is for Akshay. Akshay.
Yes, sir.
Oh, the question for one is, see here, some students are not there in the class and now they are calling. So while the tuition time, you don't call. Okay? Online classes, that time you don't call that. All of you do mute. Okay, who is not on the mute mode? Question number 1. What did the narrator want from the refrigerator? What did narrator want from the refrigerator? Okay, this is the question. So first option, the first option is a ham sandwich. Already I told you the narrator went to the refrigerator for what reason? You have to think. First option is ham sandwich. Second option is a fan. Third option is a drink. And fourth option is an apple. Okay. Now this question is for Akshay. Tell me fast.
Sir, option A.
Akshay.
Shall I tell, sir?
Wait. Akshay.
Yes, sir.
Tell me answer.
Option again, sir. Tell, sir.
Option.
Again time, sir. Tell, sir.
First option is a sandwich. Second option is a fan. Third option is a drink. Fourth option is an apple. Now tell me which is the answer.
Third. Sir, shall I tell?
Can I tell, sir?
Spandana, Niket, where are you doing? Unmute. 2 minutes, Spandana. Okay, Tanushree, tell me answer.
Sir. Sir. Sir.
Tanushree. Tanushree. Yeah,
Sir, shall I tell, sir? Sir, please shall I tell, sir?
It's a drink. Spandana, where are you doing? Unmute. Spandana. Okay, next question is for Purnima. All of you listen carefully. Second question, Purnima. Why does the electric fan not work? Why does the electric fan not work? Purnima, quick answer you have to give. This is very simple. The options are: it was broken. Second one is it need battery. Third one is the power was not there. And fourth option is it wasn't oiled.
Option third one, sir.
The power was out. Means there was no power. Third is the right answer. Okay. Next question. Question number 3. How many laps did it take for the narrator to tire off the pool? Means after taking some laps, okay, he becomes tired. So what is that? Okay, the options are, first listen, then I will tell your name who have to give answer. First one is 2, second one is 4, third option is 6, and fourth option is 8. So Vaishnavi can tell me this one. Vaishnavi Balali can tell this answer. How many laps? After how many laps he becomes tired?
What? I didn't hear it clearly.
See here. Now can you listen me? Okay. The question is how many laps did it take for the narrator to tire of the pool? Means after options 2, first option 2, second option 4, third option 6, fourth option 8. 8. Okay, right. Good. So 8 is right answer. Next question number 4. Question number 4. Varsha Dasar. Varsha. Question number 4. Who bought the narrator an ice cream cone? Who bought
Recorded.
Guru? Who bought the narrator an ice cream cone? Varsha?
Yes, sir.
Tell me this answer. Who bought the narrator the ice cream cone? First option, Lucy. Second option, Anne. Third option, Peter. Fourth option,
Sir, your voice is not clear, sir.
okay, now I will repeat the question. Srinivas? Srinivas.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Fourth, can give me answer. Who bought the narrator and ice cone? Okay, question. And first option, Lucy. Second option, Sam. Third option, Peter. Fourth option, Prince.
First option, Lucy, sir. First option.
Lucy. Okay, first option, Lucy is the right answer. Now, last question is for Srisha. Srisha, what was the flavor of the ice cream? Okay, question is, all of you just listen. This question is for Srisha. What was the flavor of the ice cream? First option, rainbow. Second option, vanilla. Third option, chocolate. Fourth option, strawberry. What was the flavor of the ice cream? Particularly one flavor I told in passage. What are you thinking? Okay. She is not ready. Next one, Sohana. Nisha.
Sir, shall I tell, sir?
Vanilla. Here,
Sir, shall I
what's
tell,
your
sir?
favorite?
Sir, shall I tell,
Can't
sir?
remember. This one you can't remember, means, sir.
Sir,
Actually, the last
shall I tell,
question.
sir?
Who is that? Okay, vanilla is the right answer.
Sir.
See, Nisha told the correct
Yes, sir.
answer. 2 minute. Okay, this is about a passage. Okay, in the next passage, again, we will. In the next passage again, we will take next different passage. So like this, so many passages are there. In exam, they will ask unseen passages. Means any one part they will give, and they will ask you to read and understand. Then we have to answer. So all of you prepare for the test. Is it okay? The app attachment?
Yes, sir.
Is it better?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is comfortable. It is comfortable, sir.
Yes, sir.
Comfortable, sir. It is comfortable. It is comfortable, sir. It is comfortable, sir.
Please comfortable.
Mute. Mute. They mute. Tomorrow there is a test of the mental ability. Okay?
Sir, mental not tested, sir.
Guru. Guru.
Yes, sir.
Do mute. Spandana. Okay. Tomorrow is mental ability test. Okay. Because last week we have taken mathematics. This week we will take mental ability. Next week passages. Is it clear? Since yesterday only I am telling, and I have sent a message also in group. I will take a mental ability test. You are asking again and again mental ability, mental ability. Spandana, you will not see the messages in the group. Okay, is there any doubts? Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
No
You can
doubt,
leave
sir.
the,
no
you
doubt,
can
sir.
leave the, by all of you.
Sir,
Bye, sir.
Yes.
bye, sir. Sir, tomorrow mental education on the test, sir. Sir,
Sir, today's homework, sir.
Bye. Bye, sir.
Sir.
Bye.
Sir, bye, sir.
Bye,
Sir,
sir.
that two questions are out,
Bye,
sir.
sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Sir, that two questions I
Yes.
have doubts, sir. That
Which two,
two questions I have doubts, sir.
which
Last
two
two
questions?
questions, sir. Last two
Where,
questions, sir.
where last two questions? Passage or mental ability or mathematics?
Passage, sir.
Which passage?
Today you told us, sir, passage, sir.
Yeah.
That last two questions I have doubts, sir. That time my network is not clear, sir.
Last question is that ice cream flavor is there, vanilla. Which flavor?
Vanilla flavor,
Vanilla.
sir.
Yeah. And how many laps he taken in a swimming pool?
8,
8.
8, sir.
That only last two questions. Very simple. Clear? Spurti?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
yes, sir.
So one more option is there. It is recorded. You can see one more time. We'll send.
Yes, sir.
Bye, all of you.
Today's homework. Sir, today's homework, sir.
Writing I will leave in
Yes,
WhatsApp
sir.
group.
Yes, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Sorry, is not there.
Sir
Sorry,
is not.
there.
Sir is not there.
Bye, sir. Bye, friend.
Nano.
Bye, friends. Tata, see you. Good night, Doctor.
Bye, sir.
Tata, see you. Bye.
Guru.
What?
Bye, sir.
Bye. Bye, Guru.
Bye.
Bye, Guru.
Hi, Chetan. Hi, Chitti.
Hey, how are you? BY, YY,
Chaitanya is there in class.
ಯಾವ
Tatarani. Hi friends.
ए अबे कौन ये लोमड़ी अबे साले हटो
कुत्ते साले
ಏ ಯಾರದು ಜೋರ್ ಅಲ್ದಾರ ಸರ್
Is not there.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಯಾರ
Left.
ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮುಗಿತೇನ
हाँ.
ಈಗ ಸರ್ ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ದ ನಿನ್ನ ಅಕ್ಷಯ್ ಅಕ್ಷಯ್ ಯಾರದಾರು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಾಗ ಗುರು ಗುರು ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್
ಏನ
ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮುಗೈತಿ
ಹಾ ಮುಗ್ದೈತಿ
ಮತ್ತೆಲ್ಲಾರು ಕಟ್ಟಗ್ಯಾರಲ್ಲ
ಹಾ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮುಗ್ದೈತಿ
ಮತ್ ನೀವ್ ಯಾಕದಿರಿ ಹಲೋ ಪ್ರಣೀತ್ ಪ್ರಣೀತ್
ಏ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ತಗೋ ಮಾರ